Making requests is an essential skill in English. Today we learn 3 key structures. Can you question mark, could you question mark, and would you mind question mark? These help you ask for help politely in everyday situations. By the end of this lesson, you will learn 3 key ways to make polite requests. You will understand when to use each structure correctly, and you will practice the natural pronunciation patterns for smooth speaking. Here are the 3 main structures for making requests in English. Can you plus base verb? Could you plus base verb? Would you mind plus ing form? Each has a different level of politeness for different situations. Can you is the most direct and informal way to make a request. Use it with friends, family, or close colleagues you know well. Always follow can you with the base form of the verb, never to or ing. Could you is more polite than can you but still friendly. Use it with acquaintances, coworkers, or people you know but aren't very close to. Like can you, it always takes the base form of the verb after. Would you mind is the most formal and polite structure. Use it with strangers, bosses, teachers, or anyone you want to show extra respect to. This structure always uses the ing form of the verb. Here are real-life examples using each structure. Can you pass the salt? Perfect for dinner with friends. Could you help me? Good for asking coworkers. Would you mind closing the door? Polite for any situation. Remember, can you equals informal with friends. Could you equals polite with coworkers. Would you mind equals formal and always uses ing form. Practice these 3 patterns and you'll make perfect requests.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.